Welcome to the channel, guys. This is my brand new truck channel. This is my 1997 5.9 12-valve Cummins. Got a manual transmission. I'm gonna show you guys what I've kind of done to it so far. I got it as a farm truck in Nashville, but we have these new headlights, the black housing. They do have the running lights. I'll put this in a link below. Got that on Amazon. Redid the cab lights, so I had the stock orange ones on there. These are really cheap. I think they're 30 bucks on Amazon. They're the black with the white LEDs. We put tow mirrors on here for all the ghost trailers. These are already on here, the wind visor things. I am planning to take this part right here and bedline all of this white, so take all this nasty trim off. We're gonna do a lift, rims, tires, everything like that. Also, other things I have to install are the pillar gauges. So I have glow shift, they're the color shift. I still need to install those. And we haven't really done very many mods to the engine yet, but I plan to do more. We're gonna do air intake, everything like that. And like I was saying, guys, haven't done a whole lot of mods to it. I have resealed the vacuum pump because it was leaking oil. Actually had to do it twice. Used a reseal kit. I won't show you how to do it unless it happens again. I just changed out the water pump. I did a new belt. I got the tires on there. So it was a stock farm truck, like I said. We got the 285, 75, 16 Toyota Mud Trains. Had them for about a year now. Since I got the truck, I put them on. No level, doesn't sit level yet. And I'll actually put a picture up of the old one right here. So there's the old farm truck back when I first got it last year. And I actually build bumpers too. So I used to have a 2011 Dodge Ram 1500 Hemi. I built my steel bumper for that, welded it, and then I also built one for my buddy. He paid me to build him one, and I finished that up here a few months ago. I'll go ahead and put a picture of that up right here. But he's actually wanting to switch to a 4th gen just like stock bumper kind of, and paint it, color match it. And so I'm gonna get one of those for him with the grill and trade him, and I'm actually gonna have that bumper that I built on this truck, so that'll be really cool. Like I said, we're gonna do the bed liner. I have a 5-inch full exhaust to a 6-inch tip, and it is a long, big old tip. I think it's probably about a foot, maybe a little bit more. We're gonna do some taillights. The third brake light doesn't work. Also probably going to get a black toolbox instead of the chrome once I kind of start blacking out stuff more. My tint is 5% on the sides and the back. And then we also have windshield tint, 35%. Can't even see in there. Absolutely love it. So like I said, new bumper, do a grill. I think I'm actually gonna try to build a grill. I didn't realize how easy it mounts to the hood. But I looked at it the other day, so we're probably gonna do that. Like I said, we're gonna do air intake, head studs, bigger turbo. I really want to go twin turbo, so we'll see. But we'll level it out whenever I get that bumper on here, probably in a month. And yeah, it's my truck. checking out my first video on my channel. We're going to be doing a lot of cool stuff. We're going to be building out my 12 valve Cummins. Like I said, you got a manual transmission, you're going to be rolling coal, spinning tires, all kinds of cool stuff. Also going to be doing a lot of cool edits. I have a lot of friends in the Northwest Arkansas area, which is where I'm from, that have the coolest trucks ever. So we're going to be doing sick edits with that, rolling shots, drone shots, everything like that, just like this video. And once again, building this truck up even better. So thank you guys again. Make sure to subscribe. See you in the next one.